أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله حق تقاته اتقوا الله حق تقاته ولا تموتن إلا
Look on this planet, among the around 6 billion believers, there are really wonderful people there. Then, meantime, in the name of religion, killing each other. Not only in the past history, but even today, in the name of religion, killing each other. In Bangladesh, Buddhist, Muslim. And then in Middle East, in Egypt, Christian, Muslim. And then some other Muslim countries, Shia and Sunni. Unthinkable. In the very name of religion, killing each other. Unthinkable. So most of the problem which we humanity facing, except nature disaster and some other thing, otherwise most of the problem is essentially our own creation. It's big contradiction. Basic human nature, more compassionate. Everyone want happy life, peaceful life, yet create a lot of killing. I think, unfortunately, this wonderful brain, human brain, used for killing. How many different weapons you see create, and how many money spent, produced for weapon. Weapon means killing. And peaceful world slogan won't help. Peace must develop here. Inner peace. Then real peace come. So most of the religion have the same potential to bring inner peace. Use different philosophy. Okay. So now, religious harmony is very essential. So I am Buddhist. My commitment is promotion of religious harmony. Now here, the big question, religious harmony can possible? The answer is 100% yes. Look, India. Over 3,000 years, different religious tradition developed. And now today, modern India, all major world religious traditions live together. I always see pointing Bombay, Zoroastrian, Kasaparsi, very small community. They carry their own religion, some fire puja, but no fear. In Bombay, millions of Hindus, millions of Christians, millions of Islam, but no fear. So India is the example. Religious harmony is possible. So meantime, now time come, since you see conflict in the name of religion is growing, so we should make every effort, to tell world, to show world religious harmony is possible, and all religion carry same message. Different tradition necessary, different because of the mental disposition. So we need different sort of the tradition, different philosophy. So now, in India should be more active to show the world religious harmony is possible and necessary. Now, in this case, within Muslim, Shia and Sunni, our neighbor killing in the very name of Shia and Sunni. Unthinkable. So now, Indian Muslim should be active to show the world, firstly, religious harmony is important, is possible. And within that, Shia and Sunni, truly brothers, sisters, no basis, no reason to killing each other on the name of Shia and Sunni. So that's my main reason to suggest our Ladakhi Muslim brothers, sisters. I really appreciate now they implement. Thank you.